Hello guys, welcome to Motor Trail YouTube channel. Today's video will feature 10 most expensive luxury sedans on sale in India right now. Also guys, if you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe. Before starting, let me tell you that this list does not feature any car that was auctioned. So without wasting any further time, let us start the video. The 10th position is occupied by Jaguar XJL. Its price starts from rupees 99.56 lakh to 1.96 crores ex-showroom in India. The car comes with a 1999cc engine which produces 237 brake horsepower and a 2993cc engine which produces 301 brake horsepower. The car is also offered with a 5-liter supercharged V8 engine. Ninth position in our list is backed by Audi A8L. The car costs for about 1.58 crores ex-showroom in India. It is powered by a 2995cc V6 engine which produces 335.2 brake horsepower. This is the only flagship luxury sedan currently offered by the brand in India. Moving on to the next position, it is occupied by BMW 7 Series. The car costs for about 1.38 crores to 2.45 crores ex-showroom in India. It is offered with a 2996cc engine producing a 261 brake horsepower and a 6592cc engine producing 600.7 brake horsepower. Its driving dynamics and latest technologies offered with the car goes in its favor. Coming on to the 7th position, it is occupied by Maserati Quattroporte. The price of this car starts from rupees 1.71 crores to 2.11 crores ex-showroom in India. It comes with a 2979cc engine producing 275 brake horsepower and a 3799cc engine producing 530 brake horsepower. Sixth position goes to Lexus LS. The car comes with a price tag of 1.91 crore rupees, which varies till 2.22 crores ex-showroom in India. The car offers a 3456cc engine producing 354 brake horsepower. Its looks are a great talking point for this car. Now moving to the fifth spot, which is occupied by Mercedes S-Class. This car starts from rupees 1.42 crores and goes till 2.78 crores ex-showroom in India. The car comes with a 2996cc diesel engine producing 281 brake horsepower and a 3982cc petrol engine and a 5480cc V12 petrol engine producing a whopping 630 brake horsepower. The car's plush interiors and the comfort while traveling that the car offers make this car the favorite luxury sedan in Indian market. Now the fourth position is occupied by Bentley Flying Spur. The cars start from rupees 3.2 crores to 3.41 crores ex-showroom in India. The car is offered with two engine choices, a 3993cc V8 engine producing 500 brake horsepower and a 5950cc W12 engine producing 620 brake horsepower. A short reminder for you guys, if you like the content, do like and subscribe. Also guys, all these prices excludes the cost of optional offered with the cars. Now coming on to the third position, it is occupied by a Bentley Mulsanne and the car starts from rupees 5.55 crores ex-showroom in India. It is offered with a 6752cc twin turbocharged V8 engine which produces a 505 brake horsepower. Now second position goes to Rolls-Royce Ghost, which costs for about 6.95 crores all the way to 7.95 crores. It comes with a 6759cc V12 engine producing 563 brake horsepower. You all must be waiting to know which car occupied the first position. So moving on to the first position, it is occupied by Rolls-Royce Phantom. This pinnacle of luxury comes with a price tag of rupees 8.99 crores for the standard wheelbase version and rupees 10.48 crores for the extended wheelbase version. Both the prices are ex-showroom prices in India. This beast is powered by a 6749cc V12 engine producing 543 brake horsepower. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please subscribe to this channel for such interesting car contents.